there, fellow photography enthusiasts, and welcome back to the Riley Photos photography channel, where we bring you the most groundbreaking and unconventional tips for capturing the world around us. Now today we have a little something to discuss, a topic as rare as spotting a unicorn dancing with a leprechaun. Photographers who only shoot on sunny days. What? Photographers that just shoot on sunny days? Do they exist? You bet your bottom dollar they exist. Who needs clouds, rain, mist, or anything even remotely interesting when you can have perfectly exposed shots of people squinting and sweating and generally looking uncomfortable? You see, ladies and gentlemen, these photographers have found the ultimate secret to success in their craft. Avoid anything that at all challenges you. Shadows? Nah, they don't exist in their world. Dramatic lighting? Ugh, what is even that? Dynamic weather? Nah, don't want that. Let's not complicate things. Sunlight, that's what we like. Big sunlight and blue skies. I mean, why should you go outside on a cloudy day when you could be safely tucked up in your cozy room with a fire on, sipping hot cocoa, browsing the internet for other people's stunning shots taken during inclement weather? Who needs to challenge themselves anyway, when you can just rely on Mr. Sun to do all the heavy lifting for you with the most flattering light possible? I mean, why do you even need photography knowledge when the camera's auto function can just take care of it all on a sunny day? Ah, wait, look, here's a masterpiece. A photograph of a person against a stark white backdrop, drenched in sunlight. I mean, nothing screams creativity like an image that's as interesting as watching paint dry. Oh yeah, bravo, my friends. What a creation, bravo. You must have taken hours thinking about how to light that. This is how you catch the big game, folks. Waiting for those perfect sunny moments when the world feels as exciting as a dentist appointment. Forget about capturing the true essence, perhaps of a city's mood, a mystical ambience of fog rolling in. Nah, I don't want any of that. It's all about the old vitamin D, isn't it? That's all we want. Sunshine. Where's the sunshine? I mean, seriously, who in their right mind wants to document the unexpected? The beauty of capturing the essence of a storm when the heavens open up and the umbrellas twirl like dancers. Oh, no. We'd rather see people squinting and 80 shades of overexposed. No, pictures in sunshine, they're a masterpiece in the making. I'm telling you. Overcoming challenges, evolving as a photographer, expanding your skills. Pfft, who wants that? It's also overrated. My fellow sun chasers know this. They don't aim to capture things at their most painfully predictable, do they? You know what I'm saying? I don't know how they don't get bored with it. Everything the same. Dear viewers, next time you venture out into the world of photography, I urge, I implore you, embrace the unconventional. Seek out the days of mysterious fog, of unpredictable rain showers or bone-chilling winter storms. And trust me, honestly, really, you will not regret it. You won't. You know, if you just take your camera out on bright sunny days, it becomes tediously dull. And remember, folks, the world is your canvas. So why limit your masterpieces to Mr. Sun's whims? Embrace the unexpected, challenge yourself, and let your creativity soar like a pigeon stealing your lunch in a crowded city square. You don't want to be ordinary, so don't take ordinary pictures. Go out there, search for the extraordinary.